doing, man?
Yo, you know what it is, man.
Yes,
Performance day, you know what I mean? Shout out to the homie Mark, shout out to the homie Alex, Summer Festival. Avant Garden, it's crazy as hell. Me and the homies first came to this motherfucker kicking it, you know what I'm saying?
Bro, this back in the gap.
Yo, I'm talking about getting shit started.
I swear.
This is what we was kicking it back in the day. And shit, now we finna rock this bitch out, you feel me? So take y'all boys upstairs, show y'all where this shit gonna be at.
Yes, sir.
How we bumping, double A shit.
Yes, sir.
Niggas distant, sick and no runner-ups. It's time to buckle up. That sucker shit expire like bad ties. You ride that wave. $1 billion network from staying true to the game. Now my relationship's worth more than your chain. More than your time. Niggas hot.
One more time. I'm just saying I love my God. Here we go.
I hunt, smell blood, get activated like great whites. God body, walk on that water. Niggas claiming it's smoke till I call bluffs. Pull up to lunch, ready to shop, then all the beef on back order. But that's normal. Exotic top shelf gas hoarder. Dancing with the stars, crooks and castles in California. Disloyalty made me a victim to paranoia. So many snakes in this rainforest, I had to revamp what I'm playing for.
HOU to LAX, I'm on a different grind. Hustling, my blood manifests what's on my mind. Black Panther, I'm the leader of my tribe. One my kind in danger, so I keep it on my side. They can't duplicate my vibe when I rhyme. Something special happen every time. My pen slide like it's blessed by.
Y'all make some noise to the DJ, man. Y'all make some noise in here. Y'all set the door.
Performance full of flair, my competition in a figure 4. Niggas in they feelings, I'm with they bitches playing give and go. Make this shit look easy when it's difficult. Reeling in the.
Bro, you threw cheese on the taco?
Gotta throw cheese on the top.
Man, that boy is tripping.
So alright, after the performance,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying, nigga, lips dry, mouth dry, hot in the bitch, back hurting, feet hurting,
Yeah, man.
standing up for a minute. But you know, this is the life. It's the life we chose. Appreciate it, brother. Here you go.
I was trying to come in.
Yeah, it's the life we chose, you feel me? Just gonna keep on pushing, keep on mashing, piece by piece, brick by brick, block by block, you feel what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
It's all a part of the motherfucking movie. Too many people behind the camera, you feel me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you feel me? That's how we gonna rock out. Shout out to the A.
We have a liftoff, 32 minutes past the hour.